Hello students, hope you are all fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of class 4, chapter number 4, plants around us. So we have read the chapter and now we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. So let's come to the fill in the blanks. The first one is plants growing on hills are tall, straight and have a dash shape. As you all know, the plants which are generally grows in hilly areas have a conical shape. The next one is dash and dash are two of the trees that grow on plains. So there are several trees like peepal, banyan, mango, shal, sesame. So the answer is mango and the peepal. Now breathing roots are also called dash roots. So breathing roots are called as aerial roots. Dash is an underwater plant. So the answer is hydrilla. The last one is lotus stem is eaten as a dash and the answer is vegetable. Now going to the next section, match the following. The first one is evergreen trees. As you all know, rubber and teak are evergreen trees which are found in the hot and wet regions. The next one is needle-like leaves, that is the pine and cedar which are found in hills, and it helps the plants, does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. And the third one is no leaves. The cactus plant has no leaves because instead of leaves they have a spine. Breathing roots are found in the mangrove forest. The answer is the mangrove. The next one is the air filled cavities which is found in the aquatic plants, which makes them lightweight. And the last one is a cultivated crop. There are several cultivated crops like wheat, maize and also rice. So tick the correct option. The very first one, it is a free floating plant. The options are water hyacinth, hydrilla, coconut, lotus. As you all know, lotus is a fixed aquatic plant, coconut which is found in the hot and wet regions, and hydrilla is an underwater plant. So therefore the answer is water hyacinth. Next question is, these are unwanted plants. The options are cactus, grass, mangroves and weeds. So the answer is weeds. Third question is, it can survive in soil with a very little water. The options are banyan tree, teak, rubber and cactus. So answer is cactus because it is found in the desert condition which is devoid of water. Let's come to the question answer section. The very first question is, what are terrestrial plants? So the plants which grow on land are called as terrestrial plants. There are several types of terrestrial plants which are found in our surroundings. For example, banyan tree, mango, sal, sesame, pine, deodar, cedar, etc. Now going to the next question. How does the conical shape help a plant of hills? So there are several types of plants which are found in the hilly region, that is the pine, deodar, cedar, spruce, and the conical shape of these trees does not allow snow to get deposited on them. And the next question is name two trees growing in hot and wet regions. As you see over here, teak and the coconut are found in the hot and wet region. You can write also rubber, which is also found in the hot and wet regions. And the very next question is name an underwater plant. What kind of leaves does it have? So the answer is hydrilla, which is an example of underwater plant. It has pointed and strap-like leaves. And the last question from the section D is what is ploughing? As you see over here, the picture of ploughing. So the answer is farmer first prepare their fields to sow the seeds, and for this they first dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft, and this process is called as ploughing. Let's come to the section E. The first question is list the different habitats of terrestrial plants. So the different habitats are plants of hills, plants of plains, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy areas, and plants of desert areas. Next question is how is cactus plant able to grow in desert condition? And the answer is cactus plant has a green stem and well developed roots, and this roots is very much soft and fleshy, and it can stores water, and also it has spine instead of leaves. In this way it can survive in the desert condition. And the very next question is what are aquatic plants? State their types and give two examples of each type. And the answer is plants which grow in different water bodies, for example lake, pond, river, etc. are called as aquatic plants. The types are floating aquatic plants and underwater plants. The example of floating aquatic plants is water lettuce, duckweed, and the example of underwater plants is hydrilla. Next question is what are cultivated plants? And the answer is plants like sugarcane, wheat, rice are grown by the farmers. Such plants are called as cultivated plants. It means the plants which are grown by the farmers are simply called as cultivated plants. And the last question is why should weeds be removed from the fields? So weeds can harm the growth of the cultivated plants, hence they are removed from the soil. I hope the question answer of this chapter is clear to you, and if there is any problem you can call me, and goodbye, and stay safe and stay healthy at your home. Thank you.